Good morning, class! Before we start our lesson for today, I will be teaching you a song about the 10 ASEAN countries. The title of the song is ASEAN, We Are One. Are you ready to sing?
Yes, we are!
To start our lesson for today, let's read, say, and pronounce the vocabulary words correctly. Indonesia.
Indonesia.
Next country is Brunei.
Brunei.
The third country is Thailand.
Thailand.
Fourth country, Myanmar.
Myanmar.
Next, Vietnam.
Vietnam.
Let's move on to the Philippines.
The Philippines.
We also have Singapore.
Singapore.
Next, let's have Cambodia.
Cambodia.
Let's move on to Malaysia.
Malaysia.
Last but not the least, we have Laos.
Laos.
Let's proceed to our grammatical structure. Question: what country does this flag represent? And the answer? It represents blank. Now, students, let me ask you the question and you tell me the answer, okay?
Yes, teacher.
What country does this flag represent?
It represents Thailand.
What country does this flag represent?
It represents the Philippines.
Let's move on. Now, what country does this flag represent?
It represents Singapore.
Next, what country does this flag represent?
It represents Indonesia.
What country does this flag represent?
It represents Malaysia.
Next, what country does this flag represent?
It represents Vietnam.
Moving on, what country does this flag represent?
It represents Brunei.
What country does this flag represent?
It represents Myanmar.
Next, what country does this flag represent?
It represents Cambodia.
Lastly, what country does this flag represent?
It represents Laos.
So, did you have fun with our class today, Ronaldo?
Yes, I did.
Karen, what did we learn today?
We learned about the 10 Asean countries.
Teacher, do you have homework to do?
Yes, Evangelina. I will be giving you the worksheets to answer. That's it for today. Goodbye, class!
Thank you, teacher. Bye-bye.
I hope you enjoyed our presentation about the 10 Asean countries. With me are my students, Ron, Karen, and Evangelina. Saying goodbye and see you again next time.